Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to charge Hyundai Ioniq 5 at a charging station. Park in a level spot near the charger, engage parking brake, and switch the car to ready for charging. Confirm the charge port is closed and unlocked, then prepare your payment method or app. Familiarize yourself with CCS and AC options at the station so you select the correct connector. Begin by opening the Ioniq 5 charge port and ensuring the cable is clear of debris. Check the station label to choose CCS for DC fast charging or Type 2 for AC charging. Firmly insert the connector until you hear a click and the car indicates a secure connection. Use your app or RFID to authorize and watch the dashboard or station display for charging status and initial kilowatt draw. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers make road trips neater and keep charging snacks spill-free, which is a small win while your Ioniq 5 tops up. Check the description for the container link and other deals so you can grab one easily, and now let's get back to the video. After authorization, monitor the Ioniq 5 display and station screen for charge rate, estimated time, and battery percentage. If you prefer a lower target, set the car to stop at that percentage to save time and battery cycles. Keep an eye on temperature warnings or unusual sounds and pause charging if needed. When charging is complete, follow vehicle prompts before unplugging to ensure data and billing update correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.